Hey there, storytellers. Have you ever wondered what it's like to defy death? To live beyond the constraints of time and age? To live a life of constant transformation and renewal? A life where every end is just a new beginning? Well, let me take you on a mesmerizing journey through my world, a world where the impossible becomes possible. I am the immortal jellyfish, a creature that defies the natural order of life and death. And my story is nothing short of magical. It's a tale that has fascinated scientists and storytellers alike. Imagine drifting through the deep blue sea, where the mysteries of the ocean unfold before your eyes, where the sunlight barely reaches, casting an ethereal glow on the underwater world, and bioluminescent creatures light up the darkness like stars in the night sky. That's my home, a place of wonder and beauty, an underwater wonderland filled with mysteries and marvels, a place where every corner holds a new secret waiting to be discovered. You see, unlike most creatures, I have a unique ability that sets me apart. I have a unique ability that allows me to cheat death in a way that seems almost magical. When I get injured or grow old, I don't face the end like other creatures. I don't succumb to death. Instead, I undergo a process called transdifferentiation, a biological marvel. It's like hitting a biological reset button. I revert back to my juvenile form and start my life anew, as if time itself has no hold on me, over and over again. Each cycle a fresh start, a new chapter in an endless story. Think about it. The possibilities are endless. I could be hundreds, thousands, or even millions of years old, constantly reborn, constantly evolving, constantly evolving. It's like living an endless series of new beginnings, each one more fascinating than the last. Each one more fascinating than the last. A never-ending journey of discovery and transformation. But life in the ocean isn't always serene. It's a world of contrasts. There are predators lurking around every corner, and challenges that push me to my limits. Yet every time I face danger, I find a way to survive. Every time I'm on the brink of death, I transform. I escape. I transform. I escape. I survive. My journey is a testament to resilience. I survive. My journey is a testament to resilience, to the power of transformation. My journey is a testament to resilience, to the power of transformation, and to the endless possibilities of life. As storytellers, we can all learn from my tale. No matter how dire the circumstances may seem, there's always a chance to start anew. To reinvent ourselves and to keep moving forward. So if you're fascinated by the wonders of life, and the incredible stories that nature has to offer, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. So you'll never miss an enchanting story like mine. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep telling your stories. See you soon.